Hello, today we are going to continue complex number, that is power of I. We have root minus I is equal to I square is equal to minus 1, I square is equal to 1, I cube is equal to minus I raised to 4 is equal to 1. Let us consider I raised to n, I square is equal to minus 1, where n is a positive integer and n is greater than 4. That is, again I am repeating, that is I square is equal to minus 1, not 1. We divide n by 4 and obtain the remainder I. Let m be the quotient, then n is equal to 4m plus r. So I raised to n is equal to I raised to 4m plus r. So I raised to 4m into I raised to r, because here we are using the indices rule, that is a raised to m plus n is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. So again I raised to 4 into m, that is again a raised to mn can be written as a raised to m into n into I raised to r is equal to 1. I raised to r is equal to I raised to r. Similarly, I raised to 4m is equal to 1 is equal to 1 upon I raised to 4m is equal to I raised to minus 4m. I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I into I square is equal to minus I. So I raised to minus 1, I raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon I is equal to I upon I square is equal to I upon minus 1 is equal to minus I. The above equation help us to find the value or find I raised to k for any integer k. That is, I cube is equal to I raised to 1 is equal to I is equal to I raised to 5 is equal to I raised to minus 4 is equal to I raised to 4 is equal to 1. I raised to minus 1 is equal to I cube is equal to minus I is equal to I raised to 7. I raised to minus 2 is equal to I square is equal to minus 1 is equal to I raised to 6. Now, I raised to 50 is equal to I raised to 4 into 12 into I square, that is 12 4s are 48 plus 2. That is I raised to 4 is equal to 1. 1 raised to any number, always 1. 1 into I square is equal to I square, but I square is equal to minus 1. Means I raised to 50 is equal to minus 1. I raised to 312. I raised to 4 into 749. That is 84 the 320. So 79 multiplied by 4, that is 316 into I square. So I raised to 4 is equal to 1. 1 raised to any number, again same thing, 1. 1 multiplied by I square is equal to I square, but I square is equal to, that is minus 1. I raised to 999. I raised to 4 into 4, 249 plus 3. That is I raised to 4 into 249, that is 1 into I cube is equal to minus I. In general, I raised to 4n is equal to 1, I raised to 4n plus 2 is equal to minus 1, I raised to 4n plus 1 is equal to I, and I raised to 4n plus 3 is equal to minus I, where n belongs to z. Another example, that is division of complex number. Let z1 is equal to a plus ib and z2 is equal to c plus id. So division and such that z is not equal to 0, z2 is not equal to 0. Now z1 upon z2, z1 you know very well, that is a plus ib, and z2 that is c plus id. So a plus ib upon c plus id, where z2 is not equal to 0. Multiplied and divide by the complex conjugate of denominator, that is c plus id, that is multiplied by c minus id upon c minus id. Then solving the bracket, A into C, that is AC, A into C, then A into ID, then minus A into ID plus A into BC. So I is a common, BC minus AD, and B into D into I square. I square is equal to minus 1 minus minus plus. So that's why AC plus BD plus into bracket BC minus AD into I plus C square plus D square, because D square and I square is equal to minus 1 minus I square D square, minus 1 minus minus become plus, so that's why C square plus D square. Then separate the terms. A plus B divided by C can be written as A upon C plus B upon C. Same thing here, AC plus BD upon C square plus D square plus AC minus BD upon C square plus D square, where AC plus BD upon AC square plus D square belongs to R, and AC minus BD upon C square plus D square belongs to R. One example we are taking, that is Z1 is equal to 3 plus 2i and Z2 is equal to 1 plus I. Find Z1 upon Z2. Then Z1 plus Z1 upon Z2 is equal to 3 plus 2i upon 1 plus I. By multiplication numerator and denominator by complex conjugate of denominator, that is 1 plus I, that is 1 minus I. So Z1 upon Z2 is equal to 3 plus 2I upon 1 plus I multiplied by 1 minus I upon 1 minus I. Then solving this, 3 into 1, that is 3, 3 into minus I, that is minus 3I, 2I into 1, that is 2I, and minus 2I into I, that is I square, upon 1 square plus minus I square, that is plus 1. So 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is 5. 2I square. I square is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2, that is plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. And minus 3I plus 2I, that is minus I upon 2. So Z1 upon Z2 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 I. That is 5 by 2, that is the real part, and 1 by 2, that is imaginary part. Why it is called as imaginary part? That is I is there, so that's why it is imaginary part. Properties of division. 1 upon I is equal to 1 upon I into I into I. I upon minus 1 is equal to minus I. 1 upon A plus IB, second property, 1 upon A plus IB is equal to A minus IB upon A square plus B square. That is, we are taking here complex conjugate A plus IB, that is A minus IB, and A plus IB into A minus IB in the case of A square minus B square. A plus B, A minus B indicate that A square minus B square. A square minus I square B square. I square is equal to minus 1. So minus into minus become plus. So that's why A minus IB upon A square plus B square. Then see, solved example. Write 1 plus 2i, 1 plus 3i, and third bracket 2 plus I bracket inverse in the form of A plus IB. So first we write 1 plus 2i plus second bracket 1 plus 3i, third bracket 2 plus I bracket raised to minus 1. So A raised to minus 1 can be written as 1 upon A. So same thing here, 1 plus 2i, second bracket 1 plus 3i divided by 2 plus I. And then we are taking complex conjugate plus solving the bracket. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 3i, 3i, 2i into 1, that is 2i, 2 into 3, 6, and I square. So upon 2 plus I, 1 minus 6, that is minus 5, plus 5i upon 2i. Now here we are taking the complex conjugate of denominator multiplied numerator and denominator by complex conjugate of denominator. Here 2 plus I is there, we are taking 2 minus I. So minus 5 plus 2, 5i upon 2 plus I multiplied by 2 minus I divided by 2 minus I. Again we are going to solve. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10, minus 5 into minus I, that is plus 5i, 5i into 2, that is 10i, minus 5i square divided by 4, 2, that is A plus B, A minus B indicate that A square minus B square. So 2 square minus I square. So 10 minus 10 plus minus 5 into I square is equal to minus become plus 5, 10 minus 5 minus 10 plus 5 that is minus 5, and 10i plus 5 that is 15i divided by 4 minus 1 that is plus 1 that is 5. So minus 5 plus 15i divided by 5, we are going to separate 5 upon 5 that is minus 1, 5 3s are 15 that is minus 1 plus 3i. Second example, if a and b are real numbers, I raised to 4 plus 3i into a plus minus I minus 1 into b plus 5i cube is equal to 0, find a and b. Now given example, we are going to write I raised to 4 plus 3i bracket complete into a plus second bracket I minus 1 bracket complete into b plus 5i cube is equal to 0. So we are going to write this right side in the form of a plus ib. So left side as it is, that is 1 plus 3i bracket complete into a plus I minus 1 bracket complete into b minus 5i cube is equal to minus I, so minus 5i is equal to 0 plus 0i. Now a into 3ai plus bi minus b minus 5i is equal to 0 plus 0i. Then items together and numbers together, a plus b, a minus b first bracket, second bracket 3a plus b minus 5 that is I is a common into I is equal to 0 plus 0i. By equality of complex number, a minus b is equal to 0 and a plus b minus 5 is equal to again 0. So a minus b is equal to 0 means a is equal to b. Simple way. Then 3a plus b minus is equal to 5. Here consider a is equal to b. So instead of b we are going to write here a. 3a plus a is equal to 5. 3a plus a that is 4a. 4a is equal to 5. Therefore a is equal to 5 by 4. A is equal to b means 5 by 4. Next example, if x plus 2i plus 15i raised to 6y is equal to 7x plus I cube into bracket y plus 4. Find x plus y given that xy belongs to R. So given example we are going to write x plus 2i plus 15i raised to 6y is equal to 7x plus I cube into y plus 4. So x plus 2i minus 15y, because I raised to 6 is equal to minus 1. So minus 15y is equal to 7x minus, because I cube is equal to minus I. So minus in bracket y plus 4 bracket complete into I. So I raised to, whereas I raised to 6 is equal to minus 1 and I cube is equal to minus I. So x minus 15y plus 2i is equal to 7x minus y plus 4 into I. Equating, that is equating real and imaginary part. Real part, that is x minus 15y is equal to 7x, that is the real part. Imaginary, that is I, that is 2 is equal to minus y plus 4. So x minus 7x that is minus 6x minus 15y is equal to 0, and here y plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore y plus 6 is equal to 0 means y is equal to minus 6. We are going to solve the equation substituting, that is minus 6x minus 15y is equal to 0. In this equation we are going to substitute the value of y is equal to, minus 6. So minus 6x minus 15 into minus 6 that is plus 90, minus 6x plus 90 is equal to 0. Then we will get minus 6x minus 90 is is equal to minus 90. Minus minus become plus. X is equal to 90 upon 6. That's why we get 15. 15 6 are 90. Then we are going to find out the value of x plus y. X plus y, that is 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Last example, that is show that root 3 upon 2 plus I upon 2 bracket cube is equal to I. So root 3 upon 2 plus I upon 2 bracket cube is equal to, we can write here denominator is same, so we have to write root 3 plus I upon 2 bracket cube. Now here a plus b bracket cube, we are using the formula a plus b bracket cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So a, that is root 3 cube a cube plus 3a square, that is root 3 square, and b, that is I, plus 3 into a, that is 3 root 3 into b square, that is I square, plus b cube, that is I cube, divided by 2 cube. So cube root of root 3 bracket cube, that is root 3 into root 3, that is 3 into root 3, that is 3 root 3 plus 9i minus I square is equal to minus 1, that is minus 3 root 3 minus I cube, that is minus I, upon 2 cube, that is 8. 3 root 3 get cancelled. 9i minus I, that is 8i upon 8 is equal to I, that is RHS. So this much